my name's Moloney and I work at Campari Group as Digital Marketing Apprentice. When I was studying my A-levels, I kind of always knew that university wasn't the right path for me. I struggled to find other opportunities that would help me pursue the career path that I wanted in digital marketing. So I had a look around on the government website, and that's where I found the apprenticeship at Inspire ATA at Campari Group. I think the balance of being able to study whilst you learn and gain that practical work experience is the main benefit. I've also now been able to adapt to a working environment in the office, and I've just grown my confidence massively. For anyone out there who is considering an apprenticeship, don't feel daunted by the fact that you might not have found something for you yet. It can often take a couple months to find something that you feel is the right fit for you, but just be patient with it, and I guarantee that the right thing will come around for you.